Hey guys, so I do a lot of product review videos, but this is a fun one for a nerd like myself. I'm a lifelong Star Wars fan. I couldn't even tell you how many times I've seen the originals, especially all the series, everything. So when LAIX offered to send me one of these forks, I jumped at the chance. So I wanted to show this to you. You can see just a nice full-size stainless steel fork, fully dishwasher safe, but it's an awesome gift for Star Wars fans. I'll show you the text and then I'll cut over and do a close-up so you can see the fork close-up here too. But it says the fork is strong with this one, which I think is super funny. It's in the Star Wars font. So stainless steel, like I said, fully dishwasher safe, real fork, eat with it if you want, hang it on the wall if you want, but send one or give one to your favorite Star Wars fan. Now, stay tuned. I'll flip over and show you a real close-up. Okay, guys, as promised, here's the close-up. You can see the box it comes in. Just slides out. It's got a little pull tab here. And then it comes like this. You can see it's got the stainless steel stamp on the back. And then, as I promised, I show you the font close-up. I'll get my camera to focus here. So you can see the fork is strong with this one. Let me get the reflection. So, pretty cool. Hope that helps. Thanks.